Hi all, welcome to our channel. So today we discuss topic about that how we can making a Word document as a make a video. So how it is possible the Word document how to making a video. So I can selecting one of the websites called narayanamepbengaluru.com. In this website, they are using for n number of courses. Electrical design course in Bangalore, digital CCTV. They are providing for n number of training courses. First is training courses. You make a Word document. First, you make the Word document option. In this Word document, what is your first of all title you will be mentioned? Just copy this. You will be providing for online training or offline training. There is a mandatory field to show your first of all headline. In a headline, there is option name is called lower letter, uppercase, first letter, each one is the capital. Automatic will be changed. In will be always you can using for small character. After this one, what are the size you can change here? Increase the particular sizes and go for bold option. After this one, this pattern, how many pages you can first of all check it out in this. First of all, add your content. Here is the changes. After this one, change layout. This will be always using for landscape. This will be using for landscape option. Automatically will be changing for landscape. After this one, you can increase the particular page sizes. So that is a compulsory important. We can follow this, increase the page sizes. Careful to watch. What are the pages you have? Increase the page sizes. How much visibility is more important for page wise. So everything is perfect. Total we have 5 pages. We can visible will be here. Increase the page size purpose. Each one we can using for 3 options will be better. More visibility purpose, we can show sharing for this particular option. We can give the space. Syllabus highlights. Course information. And save it. File. Save as. We can check it out. This document will be PowerPoint presentation will be conversion is available. We can do from here. It is not available. After save this file, just we can go to online, Word to PPT, converter, online, free. You can compulsory mention will be free. In this, first of all, one website is showing to customer online to pdf.com. It's not a PDF. We can convert in Word document to PPT format. There is a number of converters are there. Each and every converter we can use from here. Select the file. Where you can files are here. Go to particular files option. After this, they will show your PowerPoint design. PPT, PPA decks, everything. Select from here. Insert image as images. So image is not required. Click option name is called convert. There is a fraction of seconds convert file. Some online free softwares is a failing sometimes your particular conversion. Go with another website. There are number of websites are there. We can convert into Word document to PPT. Select your file, add your documentation, PPT conversion, and this will complete drive will be here. Click for convert. Is a one more website, convertio.co. This also will be convert your particular Word document to PPT. So here anything you will be in this option. Automatic file will be downloaded will be here. After this one, here we can click option name is called enable to edit. The visible option name is called enable to edit. After edit, what are the content? You will be increase the more sizes. Change your content will be here. Suppose here is the content. I have to increase size 24. Select size 16. Increase the size for the visibility purpose. Here is the option. Remove it. Anything taking some highlights. First of all, careful to just we can select the file and move on it and use the options are here. This is very easy to making a PowerPoint, Word document to PowerPoint very easy. Once you make the any PowerPoint presentation, welcome screen will be adding purpose. Here, the right click, selecting for new slide. In this design, insert, add your picture. We can add a number of images as usual. Change your content as usual. So number of options are very flexible. So here I'm adding for images here. So where our image will be design images. Here is the option. Image will be properly done. Final screen, add screen. Here add screen nothing but insert, select your from device. We can use your option name is called where is the contact us. So anything will be here, contact purpose, add your screen, or else we can go with the any kind of insert, photo, everything will be here. Add your device. Contact us compulsory, you can design by here is the option. If you not design, you can design from your particular Canva using, you can design images and add your content. So this will be your add your content purpose. So anything your format is required, add your content. For suppose, go to this, contact us. Call and WhatsApp us on phone number. Copy it, paste it. Everything you can prepare from the notepad. No need to worry about that one. Here, change your size. How much you want, increase the size. Any color changes. Important thing. Image from device. Add your logo. Here is option. Last one. Last but least, this will be focus about the subscribe option. Where is the subscribe? All files. Video not possible. So that is called, you can select only for image. YouTube, like and share. All design, If you want change any kind of designs, Control A. Selecting for all design, Control A. Designs are available. Based on that, change your designs. Designs will be changed based on the patterns. See here, any design will be here. Just will be look into this particular designs. Which is changeable. You can change will be here. The number of designs are available. Go to option. Here select your designs. Final this one. Here, what is the name called? Electrical design course in Bangalore. Select it. Save as. Go to your particular folder. Where exactly our folder is there. Select will be PPT. Presentations. PPT save as the old format. And save it. Any changes are required. Change your background. Anything will be possible. Here, if you go for any old one, the old option also will be flexible. Just click for Control A, change your designs. Which design you can request, select the particular design it. But right now I can using for white option. Here, anything will be increase the size purpose. Select more visibility. Now, this will be visibility here and save it. Now it is very clarifully done by your screen. After this one, the very important is called slideshow. Slideshow purpose, there is the very important option will be three options. Play narration, use timing, show media control, use presentation automatically. This will be primary monitor will be here. Everything will be depend on by the click on the mouses. So here will be use timing. It will be here. Click for save. So in this purpose, here will be animations are there. Control A, slideshow, everything will be use Premiere View, primary option. Now click for slide. Now you can see this one. When click mouse option, the sliders will be moving on automatically. Without click for keyboard mouse arrow, they can't move to the other file. This compulsory keep it in mind. Why? Because if you move on very fast, it will be take some time to not visible by the video option. So that is the purpose. Each one you have to take the time period and move on to a particular file. Like will be here. Done. File was saved. Here, select the PPT, save as. There is a one converter will be there. MPEG-4 video converter is automatically given by the Microsoft PPT. Or suppose it is not available in your PPT. Simple. Go to online. Select option name is called PPT to video converter. Yes, small option. Online free. Compulsory don't mention for online free is a compulsory important. Guys, we have two options. PowerPoint existing will be providing for your particular option will be given to the convert into the PP to video. If it is not available in your particular section, here is the start from the particular scenario. This file PPT to video will be convert less than minute or less than 2 minutes. Based on the time, the file will be moved to the PPT to video format. This video we can upload by your particular any YouTube channel, anything will be possible. In this PPT, what we are saving here, every files that compulsory, you can add your any kind of music, anything will be possible will be here. Select this option, record, review, slideshow, and reviews option, animations. Here will be transition. This will be your different animations also there. We can use n number of animations and duration for each slides. And if we require any sounds, add your sound or loop until next sound. We have number of options are here. Select will be here and make a PowerPoint will be convert as a video option. So after this, video was downloaded. Now you can check. Video will be playing for particular YouTube channel purpose, social media purpose, and we can using for Twitter purpose, Instagram purpose, anything. The video will be helpful for the every users. So this is the call Word document. We can making a PPE to video conversion with online and offline options. Follow these instructions. Make a video for YouTube channel purpose. Any education channels, you can make the video from this process will be followed to reach your content purpose. If any questions about your video, please ask me to my channel. I definitely will be support you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.